Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to the world of Zaz. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications. Today's recipe is carrot faluda, which is basically a pudding made with carrots and china grass. China grass is also known as agar agar. So before moving on to the recipe, I want to tell you guys that I have a surprise for you at the end of the video. A special guest has made an appearance in our video today, so make sure you watch it till the end and not miss the surprise. So without any further delay, let's have a look at our ingredients. We'll need 100 grams of carrots, half liter of milk, 200 grams of sugar, you can adjust this as per your taste, 1 whole packet of china grass which is 10 grams, some nuts of your choice. The first step is to wash the china grass and soak it in water for about 15 to 20 minutes. Take a heavy bottom pot and add about 1 cup of milk. This is approximately 250 ml. Then add the chopped carrots and let it cook until the carrots turn soft. Make sure you keep stirring it occasionally, otherwise the carrots will stick to the bottom. You can even use water to cook the carrots instead of milk, but cooking this in the milk and then making a puree makes it more tastier. The milk has come to a boil, so let's give it a good mix and check if our carrots have cooked properly or not. At this point, if your carrots do not cut easily with the knife, then you can cook for a little longer. Otherwise, you can just switch off the flame, let it come to a room temperature, then grind it into a smooth puree like this. In the same pot, add half liter of milk and let it come to a boil. Once you see that the milk has started to boil, add half a teaspoon of baking soda. This step is very important because sometimes when you add the china grass, the milk tends to curdle up. So just to avoid that curdling up of milk, we'll be adding the baking soda. Mix it well and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes, just until that smell from it goes away. Once the milk stops bubbling up, you can add the soaked china grass. Once the china grass is dissolved completely in the milk, add sugar along with the carrot puree and mix it well. Since we are using china grass in our dessert, we have to make sure that we stir this continuously or at least every 10 to 15 seconds. Otherwise what happens is agar agar is naturally a setting agent and it starts setting in the sides and in the bottom, which in fact creates lumps in our mixture, which is not the desired consistency we want, and this mixture gets thicker and thicker every time it cooks. So we have to stop it at some point, right? So I'll show you how to know or test when to stop. So take a few drops and add it on a plate. Wait for about 5 to 6 seconds until it cools down and then just swirl the plate around. If the mixture flows directly to the bottom, that means you have to cook it a little more. If it doesn't flow like this and if it's set at that point, then you can switch off the flame. So our faluda is almost ready now. It's time to set the faluda. So take a large plate or a serving dish like this and gently pour the mixture into it. You don't have to grease the dish because it comes out easily. And you can also notice that I've added tiny pieces of carrot just to get a nice flavor of carrot when you bite the faluda. Here I'm adding crushed almonds and pistachios for garnish. You can add any nuts of your choice. After adding all this, you can keep it aside for 3 hours or until it's set completely. You can also keep this in the fridge for setting it faster. So after 3 hours, our faluda is completely set and cooled down. You can cut it in desired shapes and serve it as it is. So that's it guys, this is a very simple and easy recipe, so do try this out, and if you try then tag us on Instagram, the link is in the description below. Also if you like our content, please do like, share and subscribe, and comment down what you'd like to see next. And in the beginning of the video I told you that there is a surprise for you guys in the end, so stay hooked for that. It's a reaction of my little sister on this dessert, so I hope you enjoy it. It's alright.
Happy dessert. Happy dessert. Thank you. Happy dessert. Happy dessert. Thanks for the cake.
Happy birthday, Zara. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Zara.
Say subscribe to our channel.
No, go channel. Subscribe channel. Subscribe channel. Subscribe